Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export NotebookLM flashcards quick and easily. So this is helpful when you want to save your flashcards on your computer, study them somewhere else, share them with another person, or keep a backup copy. So to begin, open your browser and search for NotebookLM. And from the search results, select the official Google NotebookLM page, then click Try Gemini NotebookLM to open the app. So using the official page helps make sure that you are accessing the correct and updated version of the tool. So once NotebookLM opens, choose the notebook that contains the flashcards that you want to export. And if you have several notebooks, make sure that you select the correct one before continuing. Next, find the flashcards section inside the notebook and then open it. And then your generated flashcard set should appear on the screen. And you can quickly review the cards first to make sure that you are downloading the right set. After that, open the flashcard set, click the three-dot menu near the set, and from the available options, choose Download Set, and then NotebookLM will then save the flashcards as a file on your computer. And the file will usually appear in your browser default downloads folder. However, depending on your browser settings, you may be asked to choose where you want to save it. You can also rename the file afterwards to make it easier to find and organize. And if you cannot see the downloadable file here, check your browser's recent downloads or open the downloads folder on your computer. Also, I want you to make sure that you exported the flashcards from the correct notebook if the cards are not the ones that you expected. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.